So your company is looking into Microsoft Teams to replace your company's PBX, but the problem you're having, maybe you watched one of my other videos, and you realize that Microsoft Teams phone system is not good if your company has a call center and needs some call center features. So what do? You want to move to Teams, but you want the call center functionality for maybe a handful of users or a department where you have a small call center. Well, my solution for that is to, instead of going to Microsoft Direct to get a calling plan from them, keep your Office 365 license as is and just get the calling plan from a third party who's offering direct routing as a service. So what that does is the calling plan through that company who's offering direct routing as a service, the calling plan charge is going to be the same as if you go to Microsoft Direct. It's going to be around $12 a month per user for the calling plan portion of the Microsoft Teams phone system. So instead of getting it from Microsoft, get it from them. And the nice thing about getting that from them is they can offer some bolt-on services in addition to Teams phone system, such as call center software. So you're going to be able to get your Microsoft Teams phone system experience, plus you'll be able to get call center software through that company as well. And that company offers unlimited live 24/7 customer service, which you will not get if you get your calling plan from Microsoft Direct. So that's what I recommend to do if your company wants to move to Microsoft Teams for your phone system and you have a call center. Go with a third-party hosted VoIP company that offers direct routing as a service with Microsoft Teams, and use them and make sure they also offer some call center software as a bolt-on service. If you want to know which companies offer that, reach out to me because there's several of them. I can give you my specific recommendations based on your company's call flow and all your other requirements. Don't spend hours on Google trying to figure this out. Just call me. You'll never be able to find the right vendors on your own. Just reach out to me. I'm happy to help you get some good recommendations so you know which vendors to quote. And our company will not charge your company a dime for giving you recommendations of vendors and quotes from these vendors and things like that. So no excuse. Reach out for help. Don't spend hours of your time trying to figure this all out on your own. Just call me. I'll tell you which vendors you should be quoting. Have a great day.